Okay, here it goes. Well, it's a new toe day, and today I have received my pair of Stryd 5s, which are relatively newly released. I'm replacing my old duos with this set. I have the new gen though, and I've been happy with them, but these are the upgraded version, and I have also received the colorful multiple attachments for these. But let's get to a quick unboxing of that. When they come, it actually came with a very not so impressive cardboard box, but as you dig in, you actually get the two set. Now, interesting thing about them is that both sides come with the new charging system, and so even if you get one, you actually probably get the double-sided one, which is really nice. I actually think that this is probably the most important reason to upgrade. I haven't checked about the data and stuff like that, and probably it's better, but the convenience of having something to quickly top off your battery when you want to go out is super useful, and the fact that you can charge them at the same time, just like that, is great. Okay, let's do the quick unboxing. So you receive two of these boxes, and if I can manage to single-handedly open this box, you're presented with this beautiful pod on the top side, and that has a pod, and then of course you receive that. As before, you get the two attachments, the orange one and the black one, and of course the small wire, but the most important part, I think, that is really nice is that it has this dual-sided charging cradle with battery, and it's magnetic. So now I have two that I can have, like one in the office, one in the bag, everywhere I go, and that makes me kind of like want to carry this stuff like around much easier. Obviously, if you're carrying this stuff around, you're probably even cradling it and carrying it with it. But just in case, having that charger available to you and around is really nice. So just to show you, I've already put this one on the charge, just like do that, and now both of them are gonna start charging. There you go. Cool. Awesome.